I made Drift Kart totally wrong. It's a little bit grayish outside, as you can see, but in our minds it's sunshine. We are on the way with my friend Eddie to a welding shop. Welders just dropped a message that they finally received all the pipes and they already started to doing first weldings. Get comfy and enjoy the video. We are so excited to see our first Drift Kart chassis.
Let's go, boys.
Alright, so now we are checking the dimensions just to be sure that everything fits perfectly and in place. There is some missing dimensions, so we're now checking these, and I hope tomorrow everything will start working. Unfortunately, as you see, the welder is doing a job on those pipes because unfortunately they didn't cut the right angles, so this will take a lot of time, but I think maybe I need to print all the pipe endings, so you are putting this printed ending on the pipe, mark it down, and you are ready to cut out. So this will be much easier and much quicker, I'll say. Definitely next time we need to be sure that guys will cut out all the pipe endings, because this will be a super fast solution. For now, welders are working on the cart, but unfortunately after last time I visited the welders and I printed out the template for the piping, I noticed something strange. I came back home, started googling how to make those templates much better, because I had some issues to make them, and I decided to look up how to make it right. I noticed that I made the whole Drift Kart chassis totally wrong. Why? Because I was not using the pipe feature all the time. I was creating like outer diameter and inside diameter and then extruding like a pipe. And now everything looks much better. As you can see now, all the pipes comes together seamlessly without any, let's say, glitches here, like sharp angles and so now everything is perfect. I hope this rework will give much precise measurements, and it will be much easier to read the dimensions. So I printed out all the tooling for pipe cutting. These cutting templates definitely will increase the speed, because previously, as I noticed, how they pre-cutting by hand was totally a disaster, super time consuming, and absolutely not what I was thinking about. What else I can say? Yeah, I made some marks here and there just to be sure that you are able to see where is the top. I have good news and bad news. Seat is delivered, and the bad news I think will be that seat is too wide. All right, so let me show you how it looks from here, let's say, and from this side. This is actually a good thing that it will not gonna wobble so much, and I need to understand how to screw it down, let's say. But overall, a really good seat, I'll say. I like it's comfy, and the question is, with this angle, how big we need it. We are at the welding shop, and also we got the engine we just purchased. It was a kind of quick stop. Eddie picked me up, told that we are going to a location and it will be a surprise, and then when we arrived, I was precise with my guess, and I told we are purchasing the engine, and yeah, that was the right answer, and we got the engine. So today we will be able to put a seat and the engine on the kart chassis. sorry for the noisy environment. We are at the welding shop where the guys are doing their daily job. Eddie is now measuring the position of the seat. Now I'm sitting really comfy, and I hope this position can stay because as you can see my legs, you can just press the gas. The steering wheel will be here also. Yeah, like somewhere here. This position, this seat will be just perfect. You are sitting like in a sports seat, and you will not gonna go anywhere. We left the welding shop. We still have some questions regarding the seating plate. If you have any great ideas to share, comment section is always open. Drop your ideas there. But other than that, everything comes together really well. The seat, I will say, is just perfect, much better than in the previous kart, which my friends have, because you are sitting like in a race seat, and the seating position is just perfect for such thing. All right, we are here in Eddie's workplace. We are planning to start the engine. We purchased some gas and oil. Huge thanks to everyone who gave a thumbs up in a previous video, which you can see in a corner. But the engine start will be in the next video. Also in the next video, we will start the drift kart assembly. So consider to subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell to be notified when the video will be on the channel. And see you in next video.